First bit. A capacitor start and capacitor run motor is used for option A, refrigerators, option B, air conditioners, option C, compressors, option D, all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the above. Second bit. Salient poles are used in option A, capacitor start motor, option B, capacitor run motor, option C, universal motor, option D, shaded pole motor. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, shaded pole motor. Third bit. Cylindrical rotor is used in dash alternators. Option A, very low speed, option B, medium speed, option C, very high speed, option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, very high speed. Fourth bit. The three-phase windings are connected in dash inside the rotor. Option A, delta, option B, star, option C, parallel, option D, series. Answer yes cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, star. Fifth bit. A universal motor is A. Option A, compensated shunt motor, option B, compensated series motor, option C, compensated compound motor, option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, compensated series motor. Sixth bit. The number of poles in turbo alternator are option A, 2, option B, 6, option C, 8, option D, 10. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, 2. Seventh bit. For large alternators, which type of slots are preferred? Option A, closed, option B, semi-closed, option C, open, option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, open. Eighth bit. Which part will surely tell that given motor is DC motor and not an AC type? Option A, winding, option B, shaft, option C, commutator, option D, stator. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, commutator. Ninth bit. DC shunt motors are commonly used in option A, cranes, option B, electrical tractions, option C, elevators, option D, lathe machines. Answer yes cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, lathe machines. 10th bit. Permanent magnet DC motors are extensively used in option A, automobiles, option B, heaters, option C, air conditioners, option D, all of this. Answer yes cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of this. 11th bit. For the protection of DC series motor, which starter is commonly used? Option A, 2-point starter, option B, 3-point starter, option C, 4-point starter, option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, 2-point starter. 12th bit. The quality of power supply is judged by option A, its size, option B, voltage, option C, regulation, option D, all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, regulation. 13th bit. Which process is more economical? Option A, undersampling, option B, oversampling, option C, aliasing, option D, none of the mentioned. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, oversampling. 14th bit. What is the value of charging current in short transmission lines? Option A, less than medium transmission lines. Option B, equal to medium transmission lines. Option C, more than medium transmission lines. Option D, more than long transmission lines. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ సి, మోర్ దెన్ మీడియం ట్రాన్స్మిషన్ లైన్స్. 15th bit. What is the advantage of the static capacitor? Option A, low losses. Option B, easy installation. Option C, low maintenance. Option D, all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the above. 16th bit. Power factor can be improved by connecting which among this? Option A, static capacitors. Option B, resistors. Option C, synchronous condensers. Option D, both A and C. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, both A and C. 17th bit. Which of the following material is used for infrared LEDs? Option A, gallium arsenide. Option B, calcium phosphide. Option C, silicon. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, gallium arsenide. 18th bit. The advantage of transistor over vacuum tube is? Option A, no heat is required. Option B, small in size and light in weight. Option C, very low power consumption. Option D, all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the above. 19th bit. Which of the following gate is known as coincidence detector? Option A, AND gate. Option B, OR gate. Option C, NOR gate. Option D, NAND gate. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, OR gate. 20th bit. An OR gate can be imagined as dash. Option A, switches connected in series. Option B, switches connected in parallel. Option C, MOS transistor connected in series. Option D, BJT transistor connected in series. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, switches connected in parallel. 21st bit. The full form of DIP is dash. Option A, dual in long package. Option B, dual in line package. Option C, double integrated package. Option D, double in line package. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, dual in line package. 22nd bit. LCC refers to dash. Option A, longest chip carrier. Option B, leadless chip carrier. Option C, leaded chip carrier. Option D, large chip carrier. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, leadless chip carrier. 23rd bit. CMOS refers to dash. Option A, continuous metal oxide semiconductor. Option B, complementary metal oxide semiconductor. Option C, centered metal oxide semiconductor. Option D, concrete metal oxide semiconductor. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, complementary metal oxide semiconductor. 24th bit. Which circuit has its output signal from the emitter? Option A, common base. Option B, common emitter. Option C, emitter follower. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, emitter follower. 25th bit. In a transistor leakage, Current mainly depends on option A, doping of base, option B, size of emitter, option C, rating of transistor, option D, temperature. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి option D, temperature. 26th bit. The weight of the rotating field is option A, light, option B, medium, option C, high, option D, none of this. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి option A, light. 27th bit. Overload release coil protects the motor against option A, overloads, option B, over voltage, option C, over speed, option D, overheat. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి option A, overloads. 28th bit. In a three-phase inductor motor, rotor speed is always option A, less than synchronous speed, option B, more than synchronous speed, option C, equal to synchronous speed, option D, none of this. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి option A, less than synchronous speed. 29th bit. Which capacitor is preferred in case of single phase motor? Option A, paper capacitor, option B, ceramic capacitor, option C, mica capacitor, option D, electrolyte capacitor. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి option D, electrolytic capacitor. 30th bit. A universal motor is one. Option A, which can run on any value of supply voltage. Option B, which has infinitely varied speed. Option C, which can operate on AC as well as DC voltage. Option D, which can run as signal phase or three-phase motor. Answer yes చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, which can operate on AC as well as DC voltage. The deadlock state can be changed back to stable state by using dash statement. Option A, commit, option B, rollback, option C, save point, option D, deadlock. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి option B, rollback. Second bit. What are the ways of dealing with deadlock? Option A, deadlock prevention, option B, deadlock recovery, option C, deadlock detection, option D, all of the mentioned. Answer yes చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి option D, all of the mentioned. Third bit. The deadlock in a set of a transaction can be determined by option A, read only graph, option B, wait graph, option C, wait for graph, option D, all of the mentioned. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి option A, read only graph. Fourth bit. A deadlock exists in the system if and only if the wait for graph contains a dash. Option A, cycle, option B, direction, option C, bidirection, option D, rotation. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి option A, cycle. Fifth bit. In a database, the file is contained in dash. Option A, entire database, option B, 2 area, option C, 1 area, option D, more than 1 area. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి option C, 1 area. Sixth bit. SDL means dash. Option A, storage discrete language, option B, storage definition language, option C, storage definition localization, option D, storage discrete localization. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి స్టోరేజ్ డెఫినేషన్ లాంగ్వేజ్. 7th bit. Which of the following is the oldest database model? Option A relational, option B hierarchical, option C physical, option D network. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి నెట్వర్క్. 8th bit. Which is a unary operation? Option A selection operation, option B primitive operation, option C projection operation, option D generalization selection. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి generalization selection. 9th bit. Which is a joint condition contains an equality operator? Option A Equijoins, option B Cartesian, option C natural, option D left. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ ఈక్విజాయిన్స్. 10th bit. The assignment operator is denoted by. ఫ్రెండ్స్ మీరు డైరెక్ట్గా ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి. 11th bit. A set of possible data values is called. Option A attributes, option B degree, option C tuple, option D domain. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి డొమైన్. 12th bit. Entity is a dash. Option A object of relation, option B present working model, option C thing in real world, option D model of relation. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ సి థింగ్ ఇన్ రియల్ వరల్డ్. 13th bit. The descriptive property possessed by each entity set is dash. Option A entity, option B attribute, option C relation, option D model. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి attribute. 14th bit. Which of the following can be a multi-valued attribute? Option A phone number, option B name, option C date of birth, option D all of the mentioned. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ ఫోన్ నంబర్. 15th bit. Which of the following is a single valued attribute? Option A register number, option B address, option C subject taken, option D reference. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ రిజిస్టర్ నంబర్. 16th bit. What is domain? Option A domain is equal to set of all objects, option B it is a collection of protecting policies, option C domain equal to set of access rights, option D none of the mentioned. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ సి డొమైన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సెట్ ఆఫ్ యాక్సెస్ రైట్స్. 17th bit. Who can add new rights and remove some rights? Option A copy, option B transfer, option C limited copy, option D owner. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి ఓనర్. 18th bit. For system protection, a process should access dash. Option A all the resources, option B only those resources for which it has authorization, option C Few resources but authorization is not required. Option D, all of the mentioned. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, only those resources for which it has authorization. 19th bit. The protection domain of a process contains dash. Option A, object name. Option B, right set. Option C, both object name and right set. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, both object name and rights set. 20th bit. In UNIX, domain switch is accompanied via dash. Option A, file system. Option B, user. Option C, super user. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, file system. 21st bit. File virus attacks itself to the dash. Option A, source file. Option B, object file. Option C, executable file. Option D, all of the mentioned. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, executable file. 22nd bit. I/O hardware contains option A, bus. Option B, controller. Option C, input output port and its register. Option D, all of the mentioned. Answer yes cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the mentioned. 23rd bit. What is the host controller? Option A, controller built at the sorry. Option A, controller built at the end of each disk. Option B, controller at the computer end of the bus. Option C, all of the mentioned. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer yes cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, controller at the computer end of the bus. 24th bit. Random access in magnetic tapes is dash compared to magnetic disk. Option A, fast. Option B, very fast. Option C, slow. Option D, very slow. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, very slow. 25th bit. Binding of instructions and data to memory addresses can be done at dash. Option A, compile time. Option B, load time. Option C, execution time. Option D, all of the above mentioned. Answer yes cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the mentioned. 26th bit. The dash must design and program the overlay structure. Option A, programmer. Option B, system architect. Option C, system designer. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, programmer. 27th bit. Which of the following statements for a simple graph is correct? Option A, every path is a trail. Option B, every trail is a path. Option C, every trail is a path as well as every path is a trail. Option D, path and trails have no relation. Answer yes cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, every path is a trail. 28th bit. A graph with all vertices having equal degree is known as dash. Option A, multigraph. Option B, regular graph. Option C, simple graph. Option D, complete graph. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, regular graph. 29th bit. A graph having an edge from each vertex to every other vertex is called as dash. Option A, tightly connected. Option B, strongly connected. Option C, weakly connected. Option D, loosely connected. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ, tightly connected. 30th bit. What is a hash table? Option A, a structure that maps value to keys. Option B, a structure that maps keys to value. Option C, a structure used for storage. Option D, a structure used to implement stack and queue. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి, a structure that maps keys to value. ఫ్రెండ్స్, నా వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ అలానే నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.